Good morning. Welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do an update on the garden's progress throughout the summer. If you're new to the channel, please follow, like, share, subscribe. Especially follow on Rumble, which is our primary channel. YouTube, also known as CommieTube, is our backup. This is our raspberry bush, and it is raspberry. They're not ready yet. The other berries in the front are quite ready, and I'm at what, 279 grams of the bird shit berries from the bird shit berry bush in the front. We'll get there eventually. These are our compost pile potatoes. And what is this? Something growing on the compost pile. Not a potato, just a weed. Wouldn't usually pull that, but it's near the potatoes. Hey, so we were supposed to get maybe some sprinkling of showers and rain last night, or nothing. Just chance of rain and thunderstorms all day today, tomorrow. But we didn't get it rain last night, so when I'm done taking this footage here, I'm gonna have to do a quick sprinkle on the plants. These are our peppers and our tomato plants. Pepper. More tomato plants over here. 3 tomato plants, 3 different types of tomatoes. I forget what they are. Doesn't matter. I can't really eat tomatoes. I love tomatoes. They just don't love me. And I'll just keep staring at this big old empty pot down here where the sunflowers never grew, that I must have reseeded 4 times. Luck of the draw. Now our other pepper plants are budding. Budding along nicely. And let's just do a quick scan here. As you can see, a lot of tiger lilies, eh? Yeah, there'll be a tiger lily video up today, which, if you're watching this video, will be yesterday, as today's video always goes up tomorrow morning. Ooh, a lot of munching going on here. Slugs are having a fest. Eh? Yeah. That. Well, here's what it is. And our sunflower plant doing just fine. Spreading a little faster than the one did in the front. Well, this is the giant sunflower. So this should grow up almost as high as a fence. Going down. Past all the tiger lilies into the corner, or corner potatoes. Well, I can still see some moisture from yesterday on the ground. I mean, it was pretty cool yesterday, only a high of 22. Maybe 24 today. But cool times like this, you don't want to add too much moisture. So I think we're okay back here. Oh yes, look, I can still see moisture in the potato bed over here. We'll be okay with another day if we don't get the showers, especially with the ongoing cloudiness. I mean, ongoing cloudiness. All right, how's the peas doing? Peas. Well, I was looking at this one yesterday, and It's kind of like telling me that I should be picking them. Yeah, we'll be having peas tonight. We got potatoes, still doing fine. Doing their flowering. And we'll go over here and look at the dill. Okay, dill has to come down now. Look, it's all flowering. We'll let our pollinators do their thing today. And then at the end of today, cut off a bunch and tie them up in bunches and hang them. And then we'll trim down the ones on the right. And then just let those continue to grow throughout the season. Because all these ones here on the left, they're all growing from the crack between the flagstones and the patio stones and the box wall for the garden. Yeah. Okay, let's look at our onions are doing just fine. There's a few more weeds in there I need to pick. I'll look for those today. Okay, our carrots. Well, I don't think I can put off thinning them any longer. Just hoping that when I pull them, it'll be a little bit. And how's these zucchinis, eh? Still bug-free? Good. I get panicky when I see them close up like that. That's what they did last year. Now, the first zucchini that started, yeah, you're not gonna start. Look at you. You're done. You're not growing. Dead on the shoot. How's this one? Nope. That's right. We got the little zucchini flower shoots that are not gonna produce fruit. These are the ones you can really pick for your salad. Well, I mean, not this one. I'm not gonna eat this one. Gotta pick them fresh. Well, other than that, they seem to be only flowering off that one plant. The one plant there is going to have the ribbed zucchini, which is why that's the difference with these leaves here. Makes you think there's mildew on them. It's just the way the leaves look. You know, as we look here at our squash plants, this is not mildew. It's just the way these are. I wonder if that's the butternut or the peppercorn. Oh well. Okay, our vines are coming along. No shoots going out of control. You see our first squash flower. Look at you. Very nice. Very nice indeed. And oh, you're climbing good. Go, 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 go. Gadget. All right. There's peas. More peas. They're not as ready as the ones in the back. Or let's see, the other side of the yard. Well, for all that I can see, all the vines are moving outwards so they can climb the lattice. Okay, well, that's the back. Let's go look at the front. Enjoy the growth up there. They really are the freakiest things ever. Is it that movie? A Day of Triffids? Sci-fi movie about alien plants. Look like giant triffids. Triffid flowering plants. Is that from the 50s or 60s? Day of the Triffids. Not as scary as Seymour, though, from that musical with the man-eating plant. Seymour was far scarier. Our lavender is not scary. And this is like some of the lavender left over from last year. It's just the slightest hint of a smell from it. If you forget to harvest lavender throughout the year and you come across some old lavender plants in the fall, you can still collect all these. Put them in a little mesh bag, a little nylon sock, hang it at the head of your bed. You still get the smell. A nice calming lavender smell. And apparently, not that most people have to deal with these, but if you have any kind of like parasites in your bedroom that like live in a headboard, you know which kinds I'm talking about? They don't like lavender either. Repels them. Well, so this is the other giant sunflower. As you can see, it's a little taller than the one in the back. It's almost twice as high, actually. And Butch the sunflower. Butch and the sunflower. No, Butch the sunflower. This other squash here is just doing quite well. And how's that one in the back? Oh yes, keep growing, buddy. Those leaves will be bigger than my hand tomorrow. And the one in the corner, coming along fine. And the other one over there. Oh yeah. Okay, there is one in here. Let's go in here. Okay. Still living the dream, and then you? Yeah. Okay, and another one there, and our multi-headed sunflower. This one's with the orangey tipped petals. And of course, our morning glories continue to climb. Climb, climb, climb. Okay. Now, let's look at our bird shit berry bush. And right after I download these files, I'll be back out here to pick berries for another batch. And I think if I don't make jam today, I'll be making jam tomorrow. Oh yeah. Okay. Gotta go get my harvest bucket, come back out here, pick some of these berries. And if you stay till the end, I really appreciate everyone who watches this this channel. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.